Hi everybody. Today we'll learn how to solve system of linear equations by substitution. If I have these two equations, 2x minus 3y equal negative 24 and x plus 6y equal 18. When I need to solve the system, it means I need to find how much is x and how much is y. How much is both of them. Okay, when I start solving, first I have to search here in the first and the second equation. If I have the coefficient beside, which one of them is equal to 1? The coefficient beside x is equal to 1. I cannot see it, but I know it's here. The coefficient is 1. So here it's better to isolate x here. If I need to isolate x here, I will move the y to the other side. So x will be equal to negative 6y plus 18. So now I found how much is x. This is x. Actually, this is x. Now I found x. Then I need to take this value of x and I need to replace it or substitute it in the first equation. So I will move the x, I will replace it with the value of x, which is negative 6y plus 18. So you will remove this x and replace it or substitute it by its value. So 2, I will write it as it is. It did not change. Now I will move the x and put the value of x, and it should be between brackets. So if I write it, it will be negative 6y plus 18. I will close like this, minus 3y, it goes normally as it is, it did not change, equal negative 24, it did not change. Now I have to do distributive property. The number outside, you should multiply it by the numbers inside the bracket. So 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12y, 2 times 18, which is positive or plus 36. Then minus 3y as it is, equal negative 24. Now, I need to combine like terms. I have negative 12y, I have negative 3y, both are same or like terms, so I can add them together. Negative 12 minus 3, which is negative 15y plus 36 equal negative 24. Now I have again to combine like terms. I move 36 to the other side. It will be negative 15y equal to negative 24 minus 36, because 36 is positive. When it goes, it will be negative. So negative 15y equal negative. When I add these together, it will give me negative 60. Now I need to isolate y. What should I do? I divide both sides by negative 15. Now, when I divide by negative 15, y will be equal to 4. So now I found y. Then I need to find x. How do I find x? I have the value of x from the beginning. I can replace it now. So I will say x equal minus 6 y plus 18. I will write the value as it is from up. I took it from here. Then I will replace the y with the value that I found already. So equal to minus 6 times the y, which is 4, plus 18. Minus 6 times 4, which is negative 24, plus 18, negative 24 plus 18, which is equal to negative 6. So this is x. So x equal negative 6. This is the value of x. So now I can say that my final answer is how much? Minus 6 and 4. If I need to check the answer for this question, I only have to replace both x and y in the original equations up here. Okay, so if I will replace them in the original equations here, I need to check. The left hand side should be the same as the right hand side. So if I replace 2 times x, x is actually, we found it to be minus 6. Okay, minus 3 times y, which is 4. It should equal to negative 24. It should be equal to negative 24. It should equal negative 24. I don't know. I will check. This will give me negative 12. And this will give me again negative 12. If I add them together, negative 24. Yes, they are equal. So it's correct. Yes, they are equal. So it's correct. Now, if I need to check the other equation also, I can check it. So I will go to the second equation, x plus 6y equal 18. I will replace the x. X is actually, as we said, minus 6 plus 6 times y. Y is 4 equal minus 6 plus 6 times 4, which is 24, which will give me negative 6 plus 24, which will give me 18. So yes, it's equal to the other side. So 18 equal 18. So my check is correct. So now I'm sure that I answered the question correctly.